Haider loves to scribble. Red crayon, messy lines. What will he make?
Scribble, scribble, scribble.
Wow, his scribbles became a sunny sun. Great job, Haider.
It's a sun!
Yellow chalk time.
Big sun. Bright sun. Of what is this?
Look, hopscotch squares. Now he can hop and play. Haider tries to copy what he sees.
Same. Same. I did it!
Perfect circle, just like the mirror. You did it.
Orange for breakfast. Yummy! Whoa!
Oh my, the crayon is flying. Magic in the playroom.
Magic! Magic drawing! One, two, three.
1, 2, 3. Connecting dots. What will it be?
Pretty butterfly!
Dots made something amazing. Drawing is fun. Keep creating. Little artists.
Look what Haider found today! Wow, it's so squishy! Colors everywhere! Making a beautiful rainbow! Look at that amazing rainbow! What are these for painting? Sponges make funny shapes. Potatoes make polka dots. Kitchen tools make art too. Let's paint with hands and feet. My hand makes a print. Tickly purple toes. Handprint becomes a turkey. A whole body art gallery. Nature makes perfect paintbrushes. Leaves paint like magic. Flowers make pretty dots. Sticks make squiggly lines. Nature helped make this art.
Bubble wrap.
Roll the bubbles in paint. Look at all those circles! More colors, more bubbles. Bubble wrap makes amazing art. What's special about this book? Just water, no paint needed. Wow, colors appear like magic. Water makes rainbows appear. What an amazing painting adventure, Haider!